We talk about scale all the time. Does this software scale well? Can we scale this infrastructure? Does this database scale well compared to this other database? Can my organization operate at scale? What does it mean for something to scale or be scalable? We don't necessarily have a very rigorous understanding of these ideas. So what we want to do in this keynote is really dive into the notion of scale and look at systems outside of software, whether it's organisms or communities of organisms, cities, companies, and they all have different properties that tell us this is going to scale according to this way, this other thing will not. What is it that makes something scalable? Are there characteristics that we can understand from the world and bring them into software development and create software systems as well as software development organizations that scale well? And so the way we're going to do this is look at a book by Jeffrey West called Scale, The Universal Laws of Life and Death in Organisms, Cities, and Companies. And we'll look at some interesting ideas like, why Godzilla cannot exist for real at the size that Godzilla is. Why is it that a steamship was considered unprofitable in the early 1800s? Why is it that a mouse's heart and a human's heart beats approximately the same number of times during their respective lifespans, even though a mouse's lifespan is much shorter than a human's lifespan? And so what West figured out is that there are some universal laws of scale that apply to all of these situations. And while he doesn't talk about software, clearly we like to talk about software. So the question is, can we take West's scaling laws and apply them in the socio-technical system that is software engineering? So this should be a pretty mind-bending, thought-provoking discussion, and I hope you'll enjoy it.